Hi, I'm Neil Woodhouse, Engineering Manager at Taoglas, and today I'm excited to introduce the HP2356.A, our latest addition to the award-winning Inception Series of high-precision GNSS antennas. This is a dual-band L1-L2 patch antenna that breaks the mold, just 6 mm tall, yet packed with performance. It's built for applications where space is limited, but accuracy is non-negotiable. With a compact 35 by 35 mm footprint, and instead of typical stacked patches, the single-layer ceramic features a patch within a patch, patented design that is optimized for a 70 by 70 mm ground plane. It delivers exceptional performance in a truly low-profile form, making it perfect for applications such as drones, robotics, AGVs, and precision agriculture. We fine-tuned it for next-generation L1-L2 receivers with excellent gain, axial ratio, group delay, and multipath rejection across the band. And it's not just precise, it is cost-effective, making it ideal for scalable, high-volume deployments. If you're looking for a rugged, ultra-low-profile GNSS patch that doesn't sacrifice performance, the Inception HP2356.A is your best solution. Need samples or more details? Reach out to Taoglas or one of our global distribution partners. Thanks for watching.